I was just gifted this Neakasa M1 automatic litter box, and in this video I'm going to unbox this and put it to the test. It comes with a really nice litter catch. This is a great start. It's one of those ones that has kind of a rubbery catchy material on top that will catch anything off the cat's paws, and then it opens up so it's easy to dump all the litter out of it to keep this clean. Now it does come with stickers on the bottom, but I'm not sure how well that works if you want to be able to lift it and dump it into your trash can. So that's something to use if you don't want it to slip, but it will change how advantageous the cleaning of this is. Next box are the support legs. Nice sturdy hard plastic legs with wide rubber feet. This will definitely not go anywhere once you put it where you want it. And then it does come with a full manual, which I really appreciate. A lot of these boxes only came with QR codes to digital manuals, and there's something really nice about having a paper manual. Thank you, Neakasa, for this. A really nice 6-foot braided power cord. I really appreciate that they went with a high quality cord, just in case you have a cat that's a chewer. And then it comes with a lot of bags for the litter. Now, as you can see, these are shallow, wide trash bags. Now, you can usually use a standard trash bag in a lot of the cat boxes if you have to, but this one would be hard to replace just because of how wide it is. Something to keep in mind, though fortunately you get a lot of bags, and I'm sure these are very easy to get more of. And then here's the litter pan itself. While I have it on its side, I'm gonna pop in the legs. These should pop in really cleanly, which they do. Let's set it up the rest of the way. Now here it is all set up. I do love that it has this litter catch. Again, very simple drawer. And now let's go over these buttons. You have your on off, and then you have clean. Now it will auto clean every time after your cat uses it, but if you want, you can just have it clean by pressing the clean button. And now it's going to do its full cleaning. And what that means is that it will tip all the way up and slowly but surely collect all the good litter into this section right here of the drum. And if there's any bad litter or if you overfill, it's going to then fall off the side of this down into the trash bag. And it's going slowly so it doesn't waste litter. You can see that there's a little bit of litter that's going over the top that is going to be dumped even though it's not dirty. But it is catching most of it, and it just dumped a little bit of litter into the trash bag because there was just a little bit of extra. And now it'll spin all the way back into place. When it spins back into place, it will over-rotate to get all the litter in the right place, and then it'll rotate exactly where it needs to be. So now you can see all the litter's in that catch, and now it's going to come all out and pour into the drum. And now it's good to go. Let's go to the rest of the buttons. Next button you have here is level. All that's going to do is tip it back and forth to get the litter level. And if this is flashing red, it means you don't have enough litter in it. This is telling you you need to empty it. This will also turn on when you pull out the bottom drawer. And the last one is for Wi-Fi, for connecting to the app. And now I have it connected to the app. I love that the app lets me enter in the information on both my cats. So this will not only track when cats are using it, but will also tell me which cat's using it and for how long. The app also has a lot more settings, like how long it'll wait before it cleans the box. You can turn on reminders. It has a child safety mode. It has all the features I want in the app. So that's really great to see. Now off the bat, what I really like about this box is how open the top is. It's very inviting for large cats or timid cats to go into since it's not enclosed. That's very different than a lot of the other automatic litter boxes. I do think this black top here will show all the smudges and smears over time, so it will require a little more cleaning because of that if you have it in an accessible place. And then it's a pretty standard size for one of these automatic litter boxes. It's kind of medium sized, but it is a little taller than most of them. And I do like how simple this drawer is. I like how much it can hold. It can hold quite a bit. There is a concern there, since this can hold so much, this can definitely get smelly. Thanks to this silicone along the edges, hopefully it'll hold the smell in better, but I imagine when it spins and is open on the back to dump in, smell will leach out of this, so that's something to keep in mind. But it is a solid litter box, and I definitely recommend it for the oversized and timid kitties.